Look, I don't care what you say. There are certain things that I did before I hit 20 that I'm telling you, they paid off tenfold. So you as a dude, I'm here to talk to you as your older brother. Look, if you're younger than 20 or even around 20, these 7 things that I'm gonna talk about, almost every dude needs to have on lockdown. You complete these 7 things, I promise you, they're gonna pay off. Let's hop into this. Number 1. You want to be independent by age 22. According to Pew Research, most Americans believe that the age 22 is the age that you should be financially independent by. Here's what's interesting. The same study found that only 24% of those aged 22 were actually financially independent, meaning that this is a great goal for you to try to hit. Now, is it necessary? Now, but it will sure as hell make you or motivate you to work harder, to develop a roadmap, to think creatively. But it will sure as hell motivate you to work harder, to think creatively, to problem solve, to develop a roadmap of where you want to be in the next 5 to 10 years. See, the problem with most men is that they let life pass by. They literally, they have no game plan, they have no goals, no ambition, no motivation, and before you know it, you blink, you're 25, you're 30, you're 35, and you got nothing going for you. I want you to unlock that ambition early in your life and watch just how far you can get. Which rolls on to number 2. Own your own place. Whether that's a home, an apartment, a studio, a dorm, just somewhere that you can call home. And by the way, your own place, it should be clean too. Like, yo, it's just attractive when you bring a girl over to your place, not to your mom's basement. You're like, yo, let's come over to my place, and it's clean, and it smells good, and you got a bed frame, and you got decoration. Like, she's gonna be turned on. And I'm not just saying that. There's actually a study that showed that you being unhygienic pretty much kills all sorts of sexual turn on a girl can have. Unhygiene is worse than fear when it comes to women, and a study proved this. This is why your own place needs to be clean. This is exactly why we developed our Santa Lucia diffuser. See, I believe you bring a girl over and that place smells good, it is game over. See, in our diffuser, it doesn't only just make your room smell good, it makes it look good. It acts like decor. It almost like levels up your room, like you're at a different status. Our diffuser, yo, it's been selling like crazy. It's for a reason. See, I think that when you bring a girl over, it smells good, you turned it on. If you're trying to get motivated to work, we got you covered too. See, our diffuser comes in 3 different scents. These are the 3 same scents found in our main fragrance collection. As you know, our fragrance collection, it's made out of France, the fragrance capital of the world. We're not cutting corners. This is the best of the best when it comes to luxury scents. We're giving you top-notch oils to help you succeed in every way of your life. See, we have our Come Closer. This is your love scent. This is the scent you're gonna want when you bring a girl over. We have our To Conquering. This is, just like it says, our boss scent, to conquer when you wanna work, when you wanna focus. This is the scent you're gonna wanna pour in that oil diffuser. We also have our everyday scent. This is the scent when you're just chilling, relaxing. It's a Sunday, it's a lazy day at home. You put in that everyday scent, it completely just changes the mood. See, scents are heavily connected to your emotions. You put the right scent, you're gonna set off or trigger that right emotion. That's exactly what we wanna do with our Santa Lucia diffuser. Boys, whether you got your office, your dorm, your own space, your own bedroom that you want to level up, you need a diffuser in there. You need something that's gonna help make it smell better. If you guys wanna check out our Santa Lucia oil diffuser, it's gonna be linked down below. Like I said, this thing's gonna just level up your room. Which takes us on to number 3, building your own credit. See, this is something you should start like as early as possible. I think I got my first credit card when I was 18, if I'm not wrong. And from there, you just want to do everything you can to start building your credit. That way, when you are in your 20s, you can start making them big boy purchases, right? The car, the apartment, the home, the student loan. See, the better your credit score is, the cheaper or the more you'll be able to loan from banks, and they're going to be able to loan it to you at a cheaper rate. It's crazy to me how I've literally met 23, 24, 25, 26-year-olds that have 0 credit and still need mommy and daddy to co-sign them. This is something you need to start early so you can win later on. Number 4, open up an investment account. Look, I don't care if you're 16 for this one. I want you to, the earlier you are, the more you're gonna win at life. See, the way investing works is that compound interest starts kicking in, and the longer you leave it, the more it grows. It has almost this like balloon or avalanche effect. So I don't care if you're only dropping in 25 bucks every week. That's all you're dumping into your investment bank. Even if it might seem like a little bit to you, what it really is happening is that 1, you're developing smart financial habits that are gonna grow and blossom, and 2, you're setting yourself up for success. See, even you dumping 25 bucks a week, let's say at a 10% interest rate, you're gonna get 10% back every year. You're dropping 20, so it's about 100 bucks a month. And let's say nothing changes for the next 30 years. You don't make any more money. At the end of 30 years, you're gonna have invested about $30,000 after 30 years of investing, but you're gonna have over $200,000. But let's be real here. When you're 25, 30, and you start making more money, 50, 60, 70K a year, you're not just gonna be putting in 25 bucks a week. You're gonna start increasing that monthly input, and that 200K will easily become 1 million. Number 5, get a job, or 2, or 3, shoot, or 4. I want you to have a main job and then to have side hustle. You are young. This is your time to overwork, to shine, and make as much money as possible that you can then take and invest into other ventures that are gonna set you up for success later on. Having extra money to dump into rental properties, or having extra money to dump into your investment account. Which takes us on to number 6. I want you to practice self-care. Having a self-care routine is important. This is something you should develop early. This is as essential as brushing your teeth and showering. Your skincare routine, your hygiene routine, your grooming routine, these should be on lock. When you're 20, 25, 30, you're just gonna, first of all, you're gonna age like fine wine. My dude, you're gonna look good, but second of all, you're gonna look better than every other dude. You're gonna look put together, and that's attractive. Which ultimately rolls us on to number 7, and it's build your confidence. When you're young, your confidence is fragile. This is the time you need to start working on to reinforce it, to make sure it's unbreakable. See, school's hard. The real world, it's even harder. If your confidence is weak, employers, co-workers, girls, friends, they're gonna notice. They're gonna take advantage, and they're gonna walk all over you. Confidence really is that key to success in almost every aspect of your life. That's it for me today, boys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.